Hello everyone. So today's question is double a number represented as a linked list. So after going through the question, it is summarized as we have given a head of the linked list, basically the first node, address of the first node of the linked list, and the linked list basically represents a number. So the value of all every node that are present in the linked list have values from 0 to 9, and it does not start with any zeros. So basically what it tries to explain is we have given a number like 189. It represents 189, and 999, it represents 999. What we need to do is we need to basically double it. So if 189 is given as input, we need to double it and give another linked list whose result is 378. Similarly for the second test case. Now what we are going to do here is let's analyze how it is being done. So let's say we have this linked list where this is the head of the linked list, and we have given the number 111. So if we double it, the result will be 222, right? Now, how do I simply double this number and get the result as 222? Now, if what I can do is, if the number, if I'm trying to double it, it gets to if the number is 1, so if I multiply it with 2, it will get to 2. Simply if I do it multiply the second node's value to 2, it will become 2. Simply the third one 2. But the catch here is, let's say I am given a number such as let's say 50. Now how do I double this number so that the result becomes 100? 1, 0, and 0. So this should be my result. How do I do this? So what I can do here is, first of all, I'll remove all these things, then I'll try to explain. Let's say I have a number 50 and 0, right? And I have head. Now what I can do is, what I can see from here is, if I try to go from this side, I need to have, basically first of all, I need to change the unit digits value and then convert the numbers that are left of it. How I can do is, first basically I need to reverse the linked list. So basically reversal of linked list is I will talk about it later, but first of all let's see the process. So reversing the linked list becomes, now this is the head, this was the head. Yeah. After reversal of the linked list, what I can do is I can just double it, or I can have a variable, let's say carry. Carry is the variable whose initial value is 0. Now, when I'm at the first node after reversing the linked list and I am trying to double it, so zero's double is 0, it doesn't matter. I can move forward and carry is 0 initially, so 0. So let's say the val is the value of the link current node, and I am multiplying it with 2, and I'm adding carry to it. this becomes the value of my present node, like where I am right now. So carry is 0 initially, this is 0. So this whole value becomes 0. So I've written 0 here. Now the next value here is 5. So what happens to this value is val is 5 right now into 2 is 10 here plus carry is 0. So this whole value becomes 10. I cannot put 10 directly here just because I have been given the condition that the node value should lie between 0 to 9. Now, how do I decide what my carry is? This number has two things in it, 0 and 1. 1. So 0 is the value that I can put here and give carry 1, which it can carry forward, right? How? See, this 10, if I divide it with 10, gives me 1. This is how I calculate my carry. And how do I calculate the value of the current node? It is like 10 mod 10. It's 0. Or let's say it could have been any other value. Let's say it would have been 15. 15, right? Now, what the value of my carry is here right now is simply 15 by 10, which is 1 again. So carry is 1, and what the value of my current node is, simply I'll replace 10 by 15, mod 10 is 5. So it's 5. So currently I'll have 0 here and carry forward. Let me remove this. Yeah. Excuse my handwriting, guys, but yeah, carry is not 10 but 1. Yeah, the carry is 1. So now, if I'm still having carry after finishing off all the nodes that were present previously, this was the condition. If I still have anything left in my carry, what I will do is I will create another new node and put this carry in it, right? So this way, I am having the answer in the reversed format. But what I need is I again need to reverse this whole linked list. Let's say this is the new, or let's say this is the answer. So I need to reverse this answer again. I will just remove this carry, and what I will do is try to reverse this linked list, and the after reversing, the value will become 1, 0, and 0. So this is the way which I'm planning to solve this question. Now let's see the code using which we have solved the question. Mhm. This is it. Yeah. So first of all, we have written a reverse function. Um, in the solution class only, we have written a reverse method, which basically takes the head of the linked list and reverses the linked list. So this is the basic reversal of a linked list where we have taken three pointers: previous, current, and next. Whenever the next is not null, we are pointing the current to previous, and then shifting one node uh, to the forward direction. And at the end, what we're doing is current of next is. So I'll tell you the whole reversal if you guys have a little bit less idea about it. So let's say I have a linked list of four nodes. This is null, right? So let's say this is 5 and this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3, right? Now what I'm having here is, first of all, I'm taking my previous as null, current as head, and next as next head of next. So this is pointed by my curve. My previous is null, and this is my next. Excuse my handwriting, guys. So, yeah. So what I'm doing here is, first of all, I am breaking this bond and I'm making this 5 point to previous, which is null right now. Now what I'm doing is, here you can see next till next is not null. Here next is not null. So what I'm doing is current of next is equals to previous. So current of next, this is pointing to previous. Previous is pointing to current. Now previous, the value of previous is now current. Current is equals to next. Now current, uh, this current will point here, and the next will also point here, basically. So this is current and this is next. Now what happens is, again the same process will repeat. This bond will break previous, so current of next. So basically this bond is broken right now. Current of next will point to previous, and the previous will get the value of current, and current will be the value of next. This will be previous. This is not required. This is basically null. Yeah, yeah. Now this is previous. This is current, and this will become next. Right now, again the same process will happen till the end where next will be null. So I'll just show you the last stage. Yeah, in the last stage, here will be the next. Here it will be the current, and here it will be the previous. So this bond will be broken, and current will point to. So before this, already the two's next or the previous is next would have been pointing to 1 before this step. And now I'm just showing you the last step. So current will point to previous. Um, yeah, current will point to previous, and the next is already null. So yeah, now what I'm doing is I'm just returning the current here. Yeah. Now doubled. Now what I will do is, yeah, the main function in this class, what I'm doing is I'm basically reversing the whole linked list. After that, I'm passing the reverse linked list to get it doubled, to get the double linked list. Now I'm using a dummy node first of all. Basically, I'm creating a whole linked list. So basically, I'm taking a dummy node initially, and to traverse the dummy node, I'm having a temp node, and for traversing the reversed given a linked list, I'm having a current node, CUR node. Okay, I'm having another variable as char, which is carry basically. So in this while loop, I'm traversing through the whole input reversed linked list and taking the value and putting it into doubling the value first of all, and adding the carry, what we decided earlier, and putting it into creating a new node and the putting the value into the new node, and then pointing basically the dummy or whatever through which I was traveling the dummy, that is temp, pointing the temps next to the newly created node here. And to traverse the reversed linked list, I'm using this cur, so I'm doing cur is equals to cur of next. So this basically gives me the whole, not the whole, but till the end where I can or can I might or might not have carry at the end, but till the end of of the linked list length, reverse linked list length, I'm having this, running this while loop. So at the end, if I'm having a carry, right, what I'm doing is I'm creating another node and putting the value of carry into it and simply pointing the temps of next into to the newly created node, and I'm returning the dummy of next because initially I was pointing the newly created linked list as dummy. Now I'm returning the doubled linked list as doubled. Now what I need is, actually I have the answer, but I need to reverse get it in a reversed way. So that is why I'm again calling the reverse function and passing the double linked list, and I'm getting the answer as my reverse answer, and I am returning the reverse answer. So if I run this, actually my test cases are getting passed. If I try to submit this, it will get accepted, right? Thank you, guys.